So Joe Liebau, Client Development Lead. My background in this space really comes from my time in the federal and state government. I spent several years both at the federal and state level at the US EPA and at the Wisconsin DNR. Very familiar with grants across the board, very familiar with strategic funding options, both from the state, federal level, but also in the private sector, as I've been doing that for the last several years here at Foth.
My name is Amanda Mink. I am a project manager within Foth, primarily focused on strategic funding in our Center for Excellence there. Have been responsible for getting a lot of state, federal, and local grants.
Over the last year, there's been a change in that demeanor and that approach by the federal government. Now they're much more focused in how they plan to deploy funds. They've changed their focus on where they want to put funds out, how they want to grow that project base, and really what they're trying to accomplish. Now is not a time to be a name on the list. Now is a time to really have to shine and really have to show why your project is deserving, because the bucket's not quite as big.
There are a lot of great stories and a lot of great projects out there that are worthy of funding. So it's so important that you're finding those things that are unique to your specific project.
You need to find someone who's going to advocate for you. You need someone who's going to be going out based off of relationships, based off of history, based off of knowledge and agencies, and say, this is how we're going to move those items forward. We're going to make sure everyone hears our story.
You want to find somebody that really is invested as a partner into your business. You want somebody that wants you to be successful, not just one-off, but long-term.
There are tons of opportunities out there. So if you talk to someone who can do a review of your work and give you that information, it's a lot better than really trying to narrowly place yourself into one grant.
Working with somebody that understands the options that are available based on where you're at is really important.
Find partners who can do this work for you, that can help you through that and create your idea with you and bring you through the process. And you're going to be happy you did, because then you're going to have the ability to bring your projects forward and be able to drive what you do best, which is operationalize and create a profit for your organization through that process.
One of the things I'm really proud of with Foth is we have had competitive grant wins every year. We've won over $700 million. Anybody that you would be looking for to help you with that process should be able to articulate, here are the steps and here's the timeline that you should expect.
Find someone to talk to who has knowledge in this. Make sure you understand their experience, their history, their knowledge, their relationships, really important, and have that conversation